I, JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Program B Pharmacy, first semester, and course is Remedial Math. Session of today is Cramer Rule. So, solving the system of linear equation by the Cramer Rule. Cramer Rule is suppose you have n simultaneous linear equation having n unknowns x1 x2 dot 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 xn, then the system of linear equation a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus dot 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 a1n xn is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus dot 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 a2n xn is equal to b2. Similarly, nth equation an1 plus an2 x2 plus dot 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 ann xn is equal to b1. This is the n simultaneous linear equation having n unknowns. If this is written in the form of system of determinant form, then first determinant that is represented by the delta is a11 a12 dot 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 a1n, a21 a22 dot 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 a2n, an1 an2 dot 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 ann, n by n. Order of this system of equation is n by n. So this is the determinant, and finding the value of determinant, suppose it gives some positive value apart from 0. Here it is prerequisite determinant delta should not be 0. It is apart from 0. It is because if delta is equal to 0, then solution is not exist. Also, delta I is the determinant obtained by the replacing the ith column in delta by the elements b1 b2 dot 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 bn. Again, delta I is nothing but it is also a determinant, but only ith column is replaced by the b1 b2 bn. सपोज कीजिए आपको डेल्टा 1 फाइंड आउट करना है, तो इसका जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है दैट विल बी a11 a21 डॉट 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 an1. इस कॉलम को आप b1 b2 डॉट 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 bn से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सपोज कीजिए आपको डेल्टा 2 फाइंड करना है, तो सेकंड कॉलम a12 a22 डॉट 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 an2 इस कॉलम को b1 b2 bn से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो in general, delta I is the determinant obtained by replacing the ith column in delta by the element b1 b2 dot 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 bn. Thus we have xi is equal to delta I upon delta. I is equal to 1 to dot 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 n. If I is equal to 1, then x1 is equal to delta 1 upon delta. I is equal to 2, then x2 become delta 2 upon delta. I is equal to 3, x3 is equal to delta 3 upon 3. So this is the procedure, algorithm or modus operandi to solve the system of linear equation with the help of Cramer rule. This method is explained by the example. So following example in front of you, it is solved by the Cramer rule, and system of equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, 2x plus 4y plus z is equal to 7, 3x plus 2y plus 9z is equal to 14. First of all, we have to calculate delta. Delta is nothing but it is the coefficient determinant of all variable, that is 1 2 3 2 4 1 3 2 9. Expanding this matrix 1 into 4 into 9 2 minus 2 1, that will be 1 into 36 minus 2. Second place negative minus 2, and cofactor is 2 into 9 minus 3 into 1. third one plus 3 and cofactor of 3, 2 into 2 minus 4 into 3. After solving, it gives the value minus 20, or minus 20 is apart from 0. It means delta does not is equal to 0. It has value delta is equal to 20. Again, we have to find the delta 1. So, in order to find the delta 1, first column is replaced by the 6, 7, 14. That is B1, B2, B3. So, first column is replaced by 6, 7, 14, and second and third is, remains same. And expanding this, and after expanding, we get 6, 4 into 9 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 cofactor of 2, that is 7 into 9 minus 14 into 1. Similarly, 3 into cofactor of 3, 7 into 2 minus 14 into 4, and after solving we get the value minus 20. Delta 1 will be minus 20. Similarly, delta 2, second column is replaced by 6, 7, 14, and first, third remains same. And expanding this, the determinant value again of delta 2 will be minus 20. And similarly, we have to find the delta 3. It is because here there is 3 unknowns, so delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is calculated. In delta 3, third column is replaced by 6, 7, 14, and first or second remains same. Again, expanding this determinant, and after expanding and solving, we get the numerical value of delta 3, that will be again minus 20. So, by the Cramer rule, x variable is equal to delta 1 upon delta. Value of delta 1 is minus 20. Again, value of delta is minus 20, and minus 20 is divided by minus 20. It gives the 1. Again, y is equal to delta 2 upon delta. Again, putting the value of delta 2 and delta and solving, again it gives the value 1. Next one, z is equal to delta 3 upon delta. Again, putting the value minus 20 upon minus 20, it gives again 1. So, value of x, y and z is equal to 1, 1, 1. This is the solution of system of linear equation by the method Cramer rule. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you.